Hey everyone, new gear sled for 2022, new colors, better construction, more rugged, more fun. Load it up with your adventure, your picnic. Take it off road, take it off trail, water, sand, grass, tundra. It goes where you go. Super light and fixable, repairable, super rugged. You know, other sleds, look at you take a toy sled, things just fall off, kids get hurt, you lose your gear. Gear sled isn't like that. It has high sides, wide stance. Take it anywhere. Throw it under your plane seat, your train seat, in your backpack, back of your closet. Pick any color you like. And it assembles in seconds. Just pop it open, pull the ropes tight, grab your line, load it up, you're ready to go. And then when you're done, you fold it back up, put it away. It won't get in your way. This is not some little toy sled made in some factory. This is a ruggedized outdoor backcountry quality gear sled made by adventurers in Golden, Colorado. Thank you very much for looking. I hope you get one.